Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, I am Thaiba Nazir and I am here to teach you mathematics of grade 9. In this video we will discuss equal matrices. When would two matrices be equal? So let's get started. Suppose A and B be two matrices, then A is said to be equal to B if these two conditions are satisfied. Then those matrices will be equal. So order of a first matrix A and order of a second matrix B both should be equal, and secondly their corresponding entries should be equal. Then we would say the matrices are equal matrices. Okay, now we will discuss examples to learn more about equal matrices. Here the examples are given. In first example, two matrices A and B are equal, and in last two examples matrices are not equal. So now we will discuss why these matrices are equal and not equal. In first example, here we have two matrices. A is equal to 1, 3, minus 4 and 2, and B equal to 1, 2 plus 1, minus 4 and 4 minus 2. If we memorize the two conditions of equal matrices, then we could easily understand the concept of equal matrices. So first check the order of matrix A. We have two rows and two columns. So order of a matrix A is 2 by 2. And similarly, the order of B is also 2 by 2 because B also contains two rows and two columns. So first condition will be satisfied. So further we will check the corresponding entries. So 1 is equal to 1 and minus 4 is equal to minus 4 and 3 is equal to 2 plus 1, which is also 3. So 3 is equal to 3 and 2 is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2, which is also similar. So all the entries are also similar. So both conditions are fulfilled. So these two matrices are equal matrices. In next example, two matrices M and L are given which are not equal matrices because the order of both matrices are equal while their corresponding entries are not equal. Therefore these two matrices are not equal. And in third example, matrices are not equal because its order are not equal. If we see, the order of P is 2 cross 2 and the order of Q is 2 cross 3. Because it contains two rows and three columns, therefore these matrices are not equal.